I'm Jane. Welcome to another Ribble Rivers Trust Christmas craft video. Today we're going to be making these pretty delicate white snowflakes, and they're actually made from toilet rolls, so it's a really cheap and easy and quick way to decorate your tree. So all you need is a pair of scissors, some string, some toilet roll and some paint as well. And I've got a glue gun, but you can just use a Pritt stick or some PVA glue as well. So all you need to do is pop your toilet roll tube, flatten it out like that in front of you. And then you're going to cut once down the middle, and again twice more. So you should end up with rings of card like so. You might want to get an adult to help you to cut the cardboard, because it can be quite fiddly. Like so. So then all we do is the two adjoining rings, we're going to pop them together like so with the glue. Stick the 2 points, and you want to try and make an oval shape, so pull them out as you go. Squeeze tight, and then eventually, might take a few seconds, but they should stick firmly together in place. So then you can see we've got the start of our white snowflake there. So I'm just trying to make sure the shape sticks throughout. So that's the first step to our snowflake. For the next step, you're going to utilise the rings that we've made, and we're just going to chop each end like so. I'll do a few of them. And what this means is you can make a smaller teardrop shape, like so, to go inside your first teardrop shapes. That will insert straight into your first teardrop shape, like so. If you are using a hot glue gun, just make sure that you have parental supervision as well, because it can get really hot and you don't want to burn your fingers. So that's the star shape coming together nicely. Now you want to flatten some more toilet rolls and create the original loops that we started with. Okay, so now with the looped shapes, you want to fold them flat, but fold them up like so, and pinch at the bottom. And then you want to add 2 glue drops to each one of the bottom. And this shape goes straight into the groove there, like so. And what you're going to do, you're going to layer 4 V shapes on top of one another, higher and higher as they go. And then we're going to pinch the top 2 together, and we're going to glue them together. And what you end up with is a lovely hanging snowflake decoration. Now you can paint this with anything you like. I chose white paint. Thank you for listening. Happy Christmas.